how to remove any permission in Claude Code CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you how you can remove permission of your Claude Code CLI. So if you wish to remove any particular permission that you have by mistakenly given or had provided access to the Claude Code CLI, and now if you wish to revoke that permission, I'm going to show you how it is done. So after you have launched your Claude Code on your Windows PowerShell, what you need to do is simply type in the following command, that is a / and then type in permissions. Then hit the enter button and you will see all of the allow list. Now in this allow list, it consists of all of the permissions that you have allowed Claude. So let's say if you wish to revoke any particular permission, so let's say I want to revoke the bash cd command from Claude, what I can do is simply hit the enter button and it will show you this particular dialog box which says, are you sure you want to delete this permission rule? So if you wish to delete this permission rule, you can simply press the enter button over the yes option and this particular permission will be deleted from your Claude Code CLI. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.